Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session. In this session we will learn about the commonly used terminology in machine learning and the specific terms of the ML.NET 2. It would be great to understand those terminology before we dig our hand in the code. The first term is model. In terms of machine learning, it is a trained model which is expected to perform the some intelligent stuff. Next is pipeline. Pipeline represent the steps of operation that used to generate the model. Using pipeline, we can pre-process the data and add the trainer within it. Data. Data is the central of machine learning because the model will train based on the data. So we need to provide the proper data, means it should include all kind of data. Training. Training is a process of identifying a model for given training data set. Feature. Feature represent a field that used as an input in the model. Label. Label represent a field that we want to predict. Catalog. In the ML.NET, a catalog is a collection of the extension methods grouped by the common purpose. We have already learned about all catalogs supported by ML.NET. In the ML.NET, model implement the iTransformer interface, so model also known as the transformer. In ML.NET, pipelines are implement the iEstimator interface, so pipeline is also known as the estimator. Data view. Data in ML.NET represent by instance of the iData view. It contains the data in a row and column manner, just like the data table. Data view is a lazy evaluator. This means it does not perform the operation immediately, so it's just like the IEnumerable. In ML.NET, trainer is algorithm that perform the operation on a data for generating model. Hyperparameter. It is an additional parameter that we can pass to the trainer for configuring algorithm. Calibration. Various trainers map score into the column name probability. Few trainer does not calculate the probability, so those trainer are suffixed with the non-calibrated. Using prediction engine, we can provide the some input based on which we will get the prediction of that value. Evaluation. Evaluation is a process of identifying the accuracy of the our model. If it is not performing well, then we need to make the changes in the pipeline, trainer, hyperparameter, or even data itself. Those are few terminologies that will be useful in the further session. We will dig our hand in the coding from the session 10. Stay tuned for the next session.